Hello guys, I'm back making more videos on my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to earn money using Dollah app. In this application, you can earn by completing surveys and doing simple and easy tasks. Here you can see the leaderboard of worldwide players that have high amount of coins earned during theater time using the application. Here are the cash out methods. Most of them are out of stock unfortunately, and some are coming soon. It will probably take a few days for them to stock again. This is an example of how it looks when you try to cash out.